Lesson: Strategies for Cybersecurity and Blockchain Governance. Strategies for cybersecurity and blockchain governance are critical for ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of blockchain systems. These strategies encompass a range of actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications designed to mitigate risks and enhance the security posture of blockchain networks. Effective risk management in blockchain governance requires a multi-faceted approach, leveraging both technological solutions and governance frameworks to address potential vulnerabilities and emerging threats. Blockchain technology, known for its decentralization and transparency, presents unique cybersecurity challenges. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain's distributed nature means that vulnerabilities can have widespread implications. For instance, a single point of failure in a smart contract can be exploited across the entire network. Therefore, employing robust strategies is essential for safeguarding these systems. One such approach involves the use of threat modeling, a process that identifies potential security threats and vulnerabilities. By anticipating possible attack vectors, organizations can implement preemptive measures to secure their blockchain networks. Threat modeling tools like Microsoft's Threat Modeling Tool or OWASP's Threat Dragon can assist in visualizing and mitigating security risks effectively. Another critical strategy is the application of formal verification techniques to smart contracts. Smart contracts, being self-executing, require impeccable security to prevent unauthorized access and manipulation. Formal verification involves mathematically proving the correctness of the smart contract code, ensuring it functions precisely as intended. Tools such as the Coke Proof Assistant and the Solidity Formal Verification Framework have been instrumental in verifying the integrity of smart contracts. By employing formal verification, blockchain developers can prevent common vulnerabilities such as reentrancy attacks and overflow errors, which have been exploited in past incidents like the infamous DAO hack of 2016. In addition to technological measures, governance frameworks play a pivotal role in blockchain cybersecurity. Establishing clear governance policies helps in defining roles, responsibilities, and procedures for incident response and risk management. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework offers a comprehensive guideline that can be adapted for blockchain environments. It emphasizes the importance of identifying critical assets, protecting these assets through robust security controls, detecting cybersecurity events in real time, responding effectively to incidents, and recovering from disruptions. By aligning blockchain governance with such established frameworks, organizations can enhance their resilience against cyber threats. Moreover, employing a decentralized identity management system can significantly enhance security within blockchain governance. Decentralized identifiers allow users to maintain control over their digital identities without relying on centralized authorities. This approach reduces the risk of identity theft and unauthorized access, as each user possesses a unique cryptographic key pair for authentication. Projects like Sovereign and Uport are leading the way in decentralized identity solutions, offering practical tools that can be integrated into blockchain systems to bolster security. Penetration testing, often referred to as ethical hacking, is another essential practice in strengthening blockchain security. By simulating real-world attacks, penetration testers can identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in blockchain networks before malicious actors exploit them. Tools such as Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark are widely used in the cybersecurity community to conduct comprehensive security assessments. Regular penetration testing helps organizations stay ahead of potential threats and ensures that security measures are up to date. Furthermore, continuous monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining the security of blockchain systems. Implementing a robust security information and event management solution can provide real-time visibility into network activities, allowing for the timely detection of anomalies and potential threats. SEM tools such as Splunk, ElkStack, and IBM QRadar offer powerful capabilities for collecting, analyzing, and correlating security data from various sources. By leveraging these tools, organizations can quickly identify and respond to cybersecurity incidents, minimizing potential damage. Education and awareness are equally important in the realm of blockchain cybersecurity. Training programs and workshops can equip stakeholders with the knowledge and skills necessary to recognize and address security challenges. Initiatives like the Certified Blockchain Security Professional certification provide industry-recognized credentials that validate an individual's expertise in blockchain security. By fostering a culture of security awareness, organizations can empower their workforce to actively contribute to safeguarding blockchain systems. Case studies of successful implementations of these strategies further highlight their effectiveness. For instance, the implementation of a decentralized identity system by the city of Zug, Switzerland, known as Crypto Valley, has demonstrated the practicality and security benefits of using DIDs for public services. This initiative has enhanced the security of citizen data while promoting transparency and trust in government operations. Similarly, the use of formal verification in smart contracts by blockchain platforms like Tezos has significantly reduced vulnerabilities, providing a secure environment for decentralized applications. In conclusion, strategies for cybersecurity and blockchain governance are crucial for ensuring the secure and reliable operation of blockchain systems. By leveraging threat modeling, formal verification, governance frameworks, decentralized identity management, penetration testing, continuous monitoring, and education, organizations can effectively mitigate risks and protect against emerging threats. These strategies are not only theoretical, but have been successfully applied in real-world scenarios, demonstrating their practicality and impact. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, staying informed and proactive in implementing robust cybersecurity measures will be essential for maintaining trust and integrity in decentralized networks.